Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. AI Club Future is here for doctors. My name is Dr. Muhammad Omar Farouk. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon. Well, in this lecture, we have been asked to emphasize what is our curriculum for 2025, what we are going to discuss for this year, and what level we will reach. So, what level we're going to reach. So I have designed a program, a curriculum, which depend on bi-weekly lecture series that you will see on the social platform that was mentioned previous lecture. And with each lecture, I will have clinical application exercise. So we're going to involve one of the clinical application in each of these lectures. Lecture number one, I will be speaking on just an introduction about AI in vascular surgery. What is really AI? What is this technology? How it is related to large language model? And what is the difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning? And we're going to review some of the landmark paper in vascular surgery from 2020 to 2024. Lecture number two, we're going to speak about machine learning fundamentals and the medical image analysis, because AI look at the medical images pixel by pixel. It is different from human, and in some specialties have reached level which is superhuman in the diagnosis. And we're going to discuss what is neural network and what is central neural network and what are the types of these network and how we can recognize AI imaging processing techniques. And lecture number three, after that, we are going to discuss deep learning in vascular ultrasound, and we're going to explain central neural network, automated vessel segmentation, AI tools in plaque morphology, and we're going to discuss AI in CT angiogram, predictive analytics in vascular surgery, understand what is the risk model that is found, and we're going to discuss AI in surgical planning, again a combination between AI and surgical planning technique, and we're going to discuss language model, natural language model, how it is used in vascular surgery, how to master AI power literature search technique, because it has completely changed the search technique from Google to AI, quite a spectacular difference. And we are going to discuss intraoperative decision making and AI influence. We're going to discuss AI in quality metrics and outcome, and we're going to understand what is a quality metric tracking means, and how to interpret and performance analytics, how each AI model can be analyzed, how it have reasoning activity, and how to compare different AI with different reasoning activities. Lecture number 10, AI in vascular flow dynamics. I will go through just the heading because there is too much item under each one. We're going to speak about ethics, and I'm very eager to the opinion of Professor Martin Manish from Bahrain. And we're going to speak about AI integration in clinical practice and emerging AI technology, understand the AI development and how this speed of development is going to change. Research methodology. Again, we're going to speak an application by multiple university, and future of AI in vascular surgery to understand the trend of development. And last lecture for 2025, practical apps in daily vascular practice. How you can use AI, which AI every day. And this is the curriculum that we are going to discuss.